Imagine you are on a journey. After a long day of hustle, your phone suddenly dies. An important call is missed. A video you were recording gets cut off. In that moment, you realize you need a phone that is not just smart, but a true companion. Times have changed. It's time to step into a new world. This is the new S26 Ultra 2025. With a massive 7.3-inch HD display, movies feel like cinema, and gaming takes you into another universe. The powerful 8,000 mAh battery keeps you going all day long. Hours of video calls, endless gaming, and scrolling through social media without fear of running out of power. With dual SIM support, you can keep both business and personal life in one device without compromise. Security is no longer a worry. Facial recognition ensures that only your face can unlock your phone, keeping your privacy safe at all times. This is the original Global Edition, a phone that is unmatched in style and unbeatable in strength. Now the choice is in your hands. Continue living with an ordinary phone, or step into the future with the S26 Ultra. This is not just a phone. This is your new companion in life.